Hi guys, welcome to this lesson. Let's consider the question on the board. Okay. It says y minus 4x is equal to 0 and x squared plus 3y squared is equal to 147. Okay. In this kind of systems of equation, this appears to be complex somehow. So the best thing to do here is to use the substitution method to solve this kind of question. Now let's start with this one, which is this one here. We know that y is equal to 0 plus 4x. So y is equal to 4x. So we plug in y is equal to 4x in the second equation. So this gives us x squared plus 3 then 4x squared is equal to 147. Now this becomes x squared plus 3 open bracket, this is 4 squared is 16x, this is x squared is equal to 147. Therefore x squared plus 16 times 3 is 48, x squared is equal to 147. Then this plus this is 49x squared is equal to 147. So to proceed, we'll divide both sides by 49, and that will give us 3. So x squared is equal to 147 divided by 49, and this gives us x squared is equal to 3. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3. So but we have y is equal to 4x. So for x is equal to root 3, then y would be 4 root 3, and for x is equal to negative root 3, y would be negative 4 root 3. So when we do 4 root 3, it gives us 6.9 or thereabout, and 6.9 is closest to 7. So our answer here is A. All right, for this one, xy is this, xz is this, yz is this. So we are asked to find xyz. Okay. Now from this first one, we say x is equal to 8 over y, and from the second one, z is equal to 12 over x, and from the third one, y is equal to 6 over z. So this is x, this is y, and this is z. So x, y, z is equal to, just multiply everything here, say x over y times 12 over x times 6 over z. Okay, so we have 8 times 12 times 6, that gives us 576. So we have x, y, z is equal to 576 divided by x, y, z, right? Now x, y, z cross multiply, x, y, z multiply by x, y, z, this to this we give x, y, z square, this is 576. So x, y, z is equal to plus or minus square root of 576. So xyz is equal to plus or minus, when you take the square root of 576, that will give 24. So xyz is equals to 24 or negative 24. All right, thank you so much and hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.